Understanding clean lines in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, clean lines. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of clean lines. The phrase, clean lines, generally refers to a design or style that is simple, sleek, and without unnecessary details. It emphasizes simplicity and clarity. You might hear this term in contexts related to architecture, fashion, art, or design. For example, a modern building with a very simple and elegant design could be described as having clean lines. 2.1 Art and Design. In art and design, clean lines often describe a work that is minimalistic and free of clutter. It's about striking a balance between form and function, where every element serves a purpose. 2.2 Fashion. In fashion, clothing with clean lines typically means garments that have a simple and refined look. These are clothes without complex patterns or excessive decorations, focusing instead on elegance through simplicity. 2.3 Architecture. When it comes to architecture, buildings with clean lines are those with straightforward designs and smooth surfaces. They often have a modern and sleek appearance, avoiding ornate details. Let's see how clean lines can be used in sentences. 1. The architect's new project is admired for its clean lines and minimalist approach. 2. She prefers wearing clothes with clean lines because they have a timeless elegance. 3. The new model of the car is popular for its clean lines and aerodynamic design. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase clean lines confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about simplicity, elegance, and minimalism. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content.